online drawing painting competition on the team India and T. Here are the lists of terms and conditions. T Board India presents drawing painting competition on team India and T. Participate and get a chance to win big prizes. How to participate? Like and follow T Board India's Facebook page and Twitter handle. These links will be given in description box. Create a drawing, painting, sketch, artwork on theme India and T. Take care to ensure that your artwork should explicitly bring out the connection between India and T. It should only be original work which was hand drawn or hand painted by you. Plagiarism will not be accepted. Click a picture or upload a scanned image of your drawing, painting, sketch, etc. and post it on your Facebook wall, Twitter timeline and tag at T-Board India. Use hashtag Tea and India, hashtag International Tea Day, hashtag Tea Day, hashtag India Tea, hashtag India Tea and Me, hashtag Indian Tea Love. Give us a caption on your drawing, painting, sketch, art / artwork. The contest will be going on till 21st May 2021. Today is 16th May. So people who want to participate have around 5 days to participate. After this day, no further entries will be accepted. A particular contestant may send in a maximum of 5 entries only. 3 best entries will win cash prizes from Tree Board India. First prize rupees 25,000, second prize rupees 20,000, third prize rupees 15,000, and the money will be sent through bank transfer. The drawing / painting / sketch / artwork should be an original work, hand drawn or hand painted by the contestant. It should not be plagiarized, copied or downloaded from anywhere. The concept or creative idea of the drawing should be also an original one. It should not be plagiarized, copied or downloaded. T-Board India's decisions regarding the contest will be final and binding. No correspondence or appeals will be entertained. T-Board India reserves the right to the final and ultimate interpretation of this contest. They have the absolute discretion without having assigned any reasons whatsoever to disqualify a contestant for some reasons. The first, second, and third prize winners of the competition will be initiated by T-Board India through a personal message from its official Facebook or Twitter page. Upon invitation, the first, second, and third prize winners will have to send the original winning artworks done by them via post or courier to the T-Board head office at Kolkata. The final declaration of winners will be done after our panel of judges examines the original artworks sent by the winners and approves them. The cost for posting, courier, or of the original artworks will have to be entirely borne by the winners. T-Board will not reimburse the postal, courier, packing charges incurred by the winners. The responsibility of safe delivery of the original artworks lies solely with the winners only. The prize winners will have to share the following declaration to T-Board India. I do hereby undertake the drawing has been hand drawn, hand painted by me with the name of the contestant, a full resident address of the contestant, and has not been copied, downloaded, plagiarized from anywhere. Neither the concept nor any part of the drawing, painting, sketch or artwork has been copied, downloaded or plagiarized from any other source. The cash prizes will be given to winners only upon sharing the declaration. The first, second and third prize winners will give the rights to use whole or part of edited versions of their artworks to T-Board for use in their creatives, advertisements, etc. The prize winners will have to share the following declaration with T-Board India. Again, I, name of the contestant, a resident of full residential address of the contestant, hereby give the rights to use whole or part or edited versions of my drawing, painting, sketch, artwork to T-Board India for use in their creatives, advertisements and for personal use. By T-Board India. The cash prizes will be given to winners only after sharing this declaration also. If contestants are discovered to be improper means to participate in this contest, Tea Board India reserves the right to cancel the eligibility without any notice. The contest is no way sponsored, endorsed, or administered by or associated with Facebook, Twitter, or any social media platforms. By participating in this contest, the winners agree to use of his her name and image in public material. So do not complain to the Tea Board India if you given your name and if they use it in public material. Non-exclusive license to use such footage, photographs, videos, or captions at any time or times in all media types worldwide for advertising, trade, publicity, etc. Winners must share the photocopy of their Aadhaar card, driver license, PAN card, voter ID card, passport, etc. The cash prizes will be awarded to winners only after the receipt of any of the above documents. Tea Board India or its employees should not be liable for any loss, damages, or any injury that may be sustained by the contestants or by any person in connection with the competition. Tea Board India reserves all rights at all times to modify or amend the terms and conditions of the competition or to cancel it with immediate effect without giving any prior notice to any party. Please be advised that all materials posted on Tea Board India's Facebook page and Twitter handle are subjected to public downloading and viewing by third-party viewers. It is understood that by participating in the competition, you are agree to abide by all the above mentioned terms and conditions unconditionally. For any further clarifications, you may like to email dipinita.tboard@gmail.com. You may contact. The registration fees are not mentioned by organizer. Whether it is free or not, to discuss about the fees, if there is one, please contact dipinita.tboard@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita ICR and Geet Academy, and also courtesy of Study and You YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you.